today's topic we are going to cover is simple pawn end game. Okay, means simple pawn end games means how when opening is over, when middle game is over, there is a parts come that is end game where you have only pawns on the board, and when you have an extra pawn, then how you should create it as a queen or as a winning material.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
end game, yeah,
Yes, sir.
end game is a part of last, okay, of chess. Okay, so where you have to you have to know the skills. So first of all, I would like to ask you all, do you know what is
Yes.
opposition in chess?
No, sir, I don't
No,
know.
opposition you don't know. So what we will do, first of all, we are going to study the opposition. Okay, what is opposition in chess? Okay, so let's see what is opposition in chess. Okay, so opposition in chess, see, there are two kind of opposition in chess. Okay, uh, so let me put some example. Okay, then we will talk. So see, this is example. Okay, and so there are two type of example. First of all, I will show you one type of opposition. Okay, see, over here, if it's a black move, okay, over here, if it's a black move, then what is opposition? When kings have one step, okay, there is a one distant gap. Okay, opposition means having a one distant gap. Okay, one distant gap between the opponent king is called opposition. Okay, in a simple word, what I used to say this is called, if you want to learn in a simple word, then you can learn by a very logical way, that is, it is called face to face opposition. Okay, if you remember, then I have taught you this in a rook end game. When you are doing a rook checkmate, sorry, a rook checkmate. Okay, when you are doing a rook checkmate, single rook checkmate, so I have told you there is a two kind of opposition. One is face to face opposition and one is diagonal opposition. Do you remember? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so there is a, see, there is a, this is called face to face opposition, or you can say a simple one distant opposition. Okay. Whoever takes the opposition, he is in a profit. In the end game, whoever takes the opposition, okay, are you getting? He is in a profit. Okay, are you getting? So this is the main. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is the very main thing which you should know in the end game. Okay, and now see the example of see the example of diagonal opposition. Okay, so what do you mean by the diagonal opposition? When the king is in the diagonal, okay, this is called diagonal opposition. Okay, so both are very important terms in the end game. In a simple pawn end game, both are very important terms which you should know. Getting? Trishka, are you getting? Harsvardhan, are you
Yes, sir.
getting? Your camera is
Yes,
off.
sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Huh?
Got
So,
it, sir.
so the first of all, the main topic which we are going to cover is the key square. Okay. So what is the key square? I have written already in the chat. So a key square are what we call those square whose occupation by the king assures the victory, regardless of whose ever move it is. Okay, means किसी की भी move हो, means anyone who is having a move.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's assure
Yes,
his
sir.
victory. Okay, let's see what is the key square. Okay, let's put some example of key square. Okay, let's see, this is a position, okay, this is a position, okay, and over here what is the key square? This is a key square, okay, are you getting? If it's okay, if it's a
Yes,
white to
sir,
move,
getting.
yeah, if it's white to move, then what will happen? And if it's black to move, then what will happen? Who will tell? And always remember, the king, where the king is standing, is not a key square, okay. For example, if the king is standing on the d5 square, is not a key square. Key squares are the which just just this one will be the key square, the d6 and the e6 and the c6 will be the key squares, okay. So just see what will happen. If it's a white to move, then what will happen? Can you tell me? Anyone? Huh?
Sir, white
See.
will move to C5.
Yeah, white will move to c5. Then what will happen? He is going to give his key square. Okay. So if it
Yes,
will be,
sir.
yeah. So the conclusion is, if it is a white to move, then white will not win, because white is going to give his key square. Got it? So like say, for example, I moved my king to c6, and what black will do? I have told you, opposition is very important. So what black is going to do? Black is going to take the opposition. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he is going to take a new key square now, c6, and now and white has lost his key square. Yeah, what you are saying?
Can you explain key square?
Yeah, I am explaining you key square. Key square means where the king is standing is not a key square. Key square is what? The one distant gap is there, that is a key square. Like key square is d6, c6 and e6. For white, key square is this, okay. If that's what I am telling, that if king is going to, it is, if it's a white move, okay, if it's a white move, and
Yes, sir.
white will not win because he is going to leave his key square, okay. And now black is going to occupy with a new key square, that is called c6 and b6 and d6, because he is taking opposition, and now it will be a draw. How? See, you will move, now he will move over here, he will not leave his key square. Now you cannot move anywhere, whatever you will move, he will take a position, okay. Whatever you will move, okay, you will move here, he will move here, he will not give you a position. You will move over here, he will move this. You will push the pawn, he will move
Yes,
this.
sir.
You will move this, he will move this, okay. You will move this, he will move this. You will move this, he will move this, and it will be a draw, okay. But see, if it's a black to move, then you are going to win because you are having a key square, okay. See, if it's a black to move, then what you will do? Just I'm giving a black to move, okay. See, if it's a black to move, then what will happen? Black will leave his key square, okay. Black will leave his key square. Now he will move this. Now what you will do? You will simply put your king to a e6 and create your pawn as a passer pawn, okay. Now if he moves this, now you will take a position. If he will move this, you will move this king c7. Now this pawn will become a passer pawn. Now he will come this, you have a whole way to promote your pawn as a queen. Getting? He cannot
Yes, sir. Understood.
stop your pawn to become a queen. So that is the benefit of opposition as well as the key square. Got it?